Welcome back to Down the Garage Layout, everybody. And we've got our Strike Force 10 set up. This is obviously Strike Force 10 with the tank and the aeroplane and the launcher. And we've got the little activator set up. So, hopefully, we can't run this all the way round because obviously it won't go under. The launcher goes under, but the aeroplane doesn't go under.
It gets set off as
it goes obviously goes wrong. So hopefully Johnny, it will move forward.
Can we hold the camera?
Try that again, shall we? That worked. Go on, keep going. Keep the train going. So as you see, the launcher does go under there, but obviously because of the width of the wingspan, it gets decompobulated. I'll stop it there, John.
Pass me the camera again. And I'll get one from it coming this way.
Yeah. Right.
Ready?
Good. Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah. See, the faster you go with this, the further that goes.
Yeah, of course it will. Because it's giving it more momentum, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I presume. I don't think this one works, does it?
No, it goes. It nosedives.
It did that time.
Well, if you were to put those new wings in that, see if that would give it more lift.
I don't know. Did it?
I don't know. Just guessing. But then you might rip those getting them out.
Well, were they already in there then?
Yeah.
Or did you put them in there?
No, they were already in there. I didn't put them in there, no. Yeah, don't
want to come out.
I reckon they've been. Oh. Is it ripped or?
There's another set of these, isn't there?
Yeah.
To give that some loving. Well out of shape that, isn't it? Right, let's not bugger that one up. think there's some more in here, isn't
Yeah, in the packet.
there? Eh?
In a packet. Is that 'em?
These are from, have you still videoing?
Yeah. What are those ones for? Just spare.
Yeah. But whether they're quick this, I don't know. They might, not they?
Don't see why they shouldn't fit. Don't know, it might work. So for some reason they look bigger, didn't they?
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Or is it just me?
Yeah. Well, yeah, they are a little bit bigger actually.
Are they?
Right, stop it then. Let's give it a try. So we've
Hold on,
got
let me bring it.
an original plane with new wings,
It's had a refurb.
isn't it?
200 million refurb.
Right. But it flew, didn't it?
It actually went underneath.
Good thing that didn't take off and hit you in the head, didn't it? That would have been really funny.
It would actually, wouldn't it?
Right, I think we'll leave them in there, eh?
Yeah, but we've got to put one back in the
I'll put them back in there.
and no, we've got to put a plane back in the set.
Yeah, we can put that one back in the set, can't we?
Yeah. Right, shall I stop that there?
Yeah, stop that there, yeah. We're going to set up for the
Helicopter now.
helicopter now, yeah.
You can just use that same activator.
Can't we?
Yeah.
Right, okay.